Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down complex financial information into easily digestible content for traders and investors alike. Let's start with the current events surrounding Microsoft. Recent news headlines suggest a generally bullish outlook on Microsoft stock, with several analysts highlighting the company's strong cloud revenue growth and promising AI advancements as key drivers for future growth. However, we've also seen some concerns about the stock's valuation and overall market volatility. Now, let's turn our attention to the daily chart for Microsoft. Notice the recent price action, showing a period of consolidation after a significant upward trend earlier in the year. The overall trajectory appears positive, although it's important to acknowledge potential short-term corrections. The 350 to 360 level seems to be acting as significant support, while the 400 to 410 level shows resistance. It is important to consider the correlation between these trends on the daily chart and the other shorter timeframes to get a complete picture. Zooming in on the 1-hour chart, we can gain a more granular understanding of the recent price swings. Notice that even within the consolidation period on the daily chart, there have been noticeable fluctuations, which indicates considerable market activity. Key price levels of support and resistance can be seen on this chart as well, offering traders specific targets to watch. These support and resistance levels tend to correlate well with daily chart movements, which suggests a strong overall directional trend. If we analyze the 15-minute chart, we find an even more granular view of the volatility within the Microsoft price action. This level of granularity allows us to make short-term trading decisions based on the intraday dynamics of the market. We can see that the price has often bounced between the $440 and $450 levels in recent days. This provides traders with opportunities for both long and short trades. Comparing the three charts provides a clear picture of the current market dynamics. The long-term trend, daily chart, is broadly positive, but with significant short-term fluctuations. The 1-hour chart provides a more immediate look at these fluctuations. This is what explains the volatility seen on the 15-minute chart, providing traders with opportunities to capitalize on short-term trends. By examining the different time frames, we can avoid some of the confusion around whether the market will be bullish or bearish. Now, let's focus on a specific period to highlight the interplay between news and price action. Let's examine the price action in the last week on the 1-hour and 15-minute charts. Here, we can observe a clear correlation. On the 1-hour chart, prices dropped significantly after some negative news reports on Microsoft's recent earnings. The 15-minute chart reveals the panic selling as prices fell sharply and suddenly, creating an opportunity for short-term traders. In summary, Microsoft shows a long-term bullish trend supported by positive news and strong fundamentals. However, short-term volatility exists, offering opportunities for both long and short-term trades. Key support levels are around 350 to 360 daily chart and 440 1-hour and 15-minute charts. Key resistance levels are around 400 to 410 daily and 450 1-hour and 15-minute charts. The likelihood of these key price levels being reached depends largely on market sentiment, overall economic conditions, and any significant news related to Microsoft. Future earnings reports and new product announcements could reinforce these trends, while unexpected geopolitical or economic events could certainly shift this analysis. Remember, always conduct your own research before making any trading decisions. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.